rest of the emergency broadcast alarm system thing. This is a banner that is for Welcome Week for all the students to come and be introduced to the college organizations and stuff and the campus events and such. One of the scriptures that I read said to welcome and not be welcomed, which is something we learned about from Pastor Dale, to serve and not be served, to love and not be loved. So that was really important to me, to welcome and not be welcomed. So I hope and pray that New Song Murfreesboro can find things to be welcoming instead of being welcomed. So I'm also praying about that.